Hey guys, Stems here for another fun little thing. So up here it has the Microsoft Teams, and people have been asking all day how to link it, and I have found the answer. Now, in a previous video, we were taught how to combine our classes into one Canvas course. Well, then that posed a problem because I couldn't link Teams. So, as you can see here, I have, instead of one, I have two Microsoft Teams icons, and then I've labeled them. And you can see that there's a link there. Now I need to go ahead and save because I just finished this one. So I'll show you. So if I click on first period or the icon next to, or fourth period or the icon next to that, it will send them to our Teams chat. So when I click on that, this is my fourth period. Yes, please open Microsoft Teams, even though it's already open. And then there we go. So it sends me over here, and obviously I haven't started chatting with them yet, but it sends them to our Microsoft Teams. So to do this, I will show you how I did it. I will go back to Canvas, and I'm going to go to my 6th grade courses, my 6, 7 courses. I'm going to hit edit. I'm going to click no, make that a little bigger, and I'm going to play around with the size of this because I will have 4 classes that I will need to put in there. So bring that down. And then I'm going to minimize this a little bit. Move that over just a squidge. Move that one over. And then I'm going to copy this, Control C, after I've highlighted it. I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to paste it again. And remember, I have 4 of these in here. So I'm going to paste it one more time. And then just a little bit over. Just playing around with the sizes here. All right, and you see I don't have that linked yet either, but I can show you that as well. So here I will need 2nd period. I will need 3rd period. I will need 5th period. And I will have 6th period. And then I'm going to click on the icon next to the class period. And you don't have to yet, but I'm going to come over to my Teams. And here are all my classes. I'm going to go to 2nd period. I'm going to go to these 3 dots. Okay, so I'll show you step by step. So I was in Canvas. I'm clicking over to my Teams. I'm coming to all my teams, so I have that highlighted already. Here are all my classes. I need 2nd period. I'm going to hit the 3 dots. And then I'm going to go to Get Link to Team. And then here's the link that I'm going to copy. So I'm going to Control C it. I go back to Canvas. I have that highlighted. I come up to the link, and it's an external link. And then I'm going to Control V. Done. Now I'm going to go through and do that for everyone. So I'm going to go over to Teams, 3rd period, 3 dots, click it, Get Link to Team, Control C, come over to Canvas, go up as long as it's highlighted, External Links, Control V, done. again, so I've highlighted it. Go to Teams. I need 5th period, get link to team, Control C, go to Canvas, go up to link, external link, Control V, done. And then last one, and then I'm going to link these two because I could see them like trying to hit it and them not being able to. So I can do the exact same thing and do it for 2nd, 3rd, 5th, and 6th for those as well. So I have it highlighted, going to Teams, 6th period, 3 dots, get link to team, Control C, go to Canvas, go up to link, external links, Control V, done. Okay, so now I want to save before I lose those links. And then we always want to try things out. So I'm going to go to Home. I'm going to come over to Student View. I'm going to come down. And I have that right here. Now you see I kind of need to play around with the size because now it's all off. But if I click Microsoft Teams, it should shoot us over here, and it did. And you can see a student has already contacted me on there. All right, so I hope this was helpful to you. And that, oh, sorry, wrong one. That's the next one that I'm gonna do. And how to link that Microsoft Teams. Now, if you're not going to link your classes into a Canvas course, so like these are 6th grade and 7th grade classes. So if you're not going to do that, then you won't have to resize and play around with this, and you can just leave it as is. But I have linked mine, so I want to make sure they're all in there. So I really hope this helps you guys. Let me know. Shoot me a text. As long as I'm not in a meeting, I usually answer. And we can all go from there. So good luck.